Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my video.
New to Ducati's 2022 motorcycle lineup is the Streetfighter V4 SP, an attempt at engineering the perfect hyper-naked motorcycle. The formula is simple. Take what works with the already existing Streetfighter V4 and dial everything up to a further degree of luxury and performance. The Ducati Streetfighter V4 SP retains the same MotoGP-derived 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale 90° V4, producing a whopping 208 horsepower and 90.4 pound-feet of torque and chassis, but refines some key components for potential buyers with some extra money to spend on a true endgame, hyper-naked. Beyond the special livery specifically tailored to this motorcycle, taking inspiration from preseason MotoGP test bikes, carbon rims provide a 3-pound weight reduction, exclusive style Maar Brembo calipers are found in the front, and Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension brings a further layer of performance to top it all off. This motorcycle gives riders a track-centric Italian performance machine they can rely on for rigorous track days, and some other key components reinforce that ethos, like an open carbon clutch cover and STM Evo SBK dry clutch system. The 2022 Ducati Streetfighter V4 SP starts at $35,500 USD or $40,000 CAD.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.